Did you know that there are new capabilities and enhancements available in the latest version of Syspro? Unleash advanced quality control, seamless automation, enhanced warehouse functionality, exceptional security, and unprecedented connectivity with Syspro 8 2023. Here's what's new. Quality management. Improve quality standards, achieve less variability, and improve customer satisfaction. The new module includes customer complaints, recall management, and configurable inspections capabilities. Document services, AP Invoice Automation. Digitize and automate supplier invoices faster and with fewer errors by leveraging data extraction capabilities and automated matching algorithms. The pricing engine product catalog feature allows businesses to create a comprehensive catalog of their products with associated pricing and promotion. Single sign-on SSO. Conveniently log in using your existing Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft accounts, eliminating the need for separate login credentials. WMS marshaling. Consolidate multiple orders for a customer into one shipment. Embedded Analytics Extended 2023 release capabilities, big data connectors, contextual analytics, and dashboard export and import tools. Seamlessly connect to various data sources and access contextual insights to make better, faster decisions within your existing workflows. Unlock the power of your ERP system today.